Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 9.5 question number 2. Use the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab to find the following products. Let us find question number 1. Question number 1 here you see is first solve question number 1. Here question 1 is x plus 3. You see this one is x plus 3, x plus 3 into x plus 7 into x plus 7. You have to use this identity that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. That is equal to x squared plus a plus b is 3, b is 7. Therefore, 3 plus 7 into x plus ab, that is 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Therefore, we are getting x squared. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 3x squared plus 10x plus 3 7 are 21. 21. This is the answer of question number 1. The answer is x squared plus 10x plus 21. We'll solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is this is 4x plus 5. 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1 to 4x plus 1. So we are getting this is square, that is x power x whole square, 4x whole square plus a plus b into x, that is 5 plus 1 into x plus ab is 5 into 1, 5 into 1. Therefore, we are getting 4 4 is 16. X into x is x squared plus 5 plus 1 is 6. X plus 5 into 5. This is the answer of question number 2. The answer is 16x squared plus